Hey there, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to go over a feature of the most recent version of Windows. It used to be that when you would plug in a flash drive, the default way that Windows would handle that flash drive is that if you wanted to remove the flash drive without any chance of there being corrupted data on it, you would have to, uh, let's plug in a flash drive right now. We're going to plug in this Lexar flash drive, and you can see down here that it labels it I, and right here is the flash drive, and you can see right here where if I click on that, I can then, if I left click on the drive, I can left click on eject jump drive sport, and it will safely remove it. In other words, there will be no chance of data corruption if that's what I do. And that's the way all Windows used to be configured. But with the most recent version of Windows, they have made all of that unnecessary. What they've done is they have made it so that if you can just pull the flash drive out whenever you want. Now it does cut down on performance, but it does make it a little more convenient because you no longer have to safely remove the USB drive. You can just pull it out and your data should be fine. Now if you want to reverse that and you want to make it so that you have a better performance boost but will need to safely eject your flash drive, all you have to do is remember what the drive letter is. In this case, it was I. Right click on this PC and then left click on manage. Now, if you don't have this PC on your desktop, you can just open any folder like this and then right click on this PC and left click on manage. And there pops up right there. Then you're going to click left click on disk management. Then you're going to scroll till you see your drive. There's my flash drive right there. It's an older flash drive. And what we're going to do here is we're going to right click on that drive and we're going to left click on properties. And from there, we're going to go to hardware, left click on that, and then left click on properties down there. And then we're going to click on policies, left click, and then there we have our two options, either quick removal default. This disables write caching on the device and in Windows, but you can disconnect the device safely without using the safely remove hardware notification icon. Or if you want, you can now click, that's the default now. And if you want to do the other one, you have to select it this way. You select better performance. It enables write caching in Windows, but you must use the safely remove hardware notification icon to disconnect the drive safely. You would select better performance, you would select OK, and there you go. You would go on about your business. And that is how the Windows is configured now. It's configured to favor convenience over speed, of the convenience of being able to remove it on the fly over the speed of the actual drive itself. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Bartlett, Collierville, Germantown, or Midtown area requires any kind of computer repair assistance, please feel free to call Dave Bensman at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, please stay safe.